Hello everyone, this is Isabelle. I'm at Submarine Networks World 2024 in Singapore, and today I'm joined by Roland Certeza. He's the CEO of GTA Guam. Roland, welcome to my hot seat. You're a first-time victim of mine.
Thanks for having me.
So Roland, Guam has a strategic position in the Pacific. How is GTA capitalizing on that to make sure that the island is growing as a hub, a digital hub?
Sure. So, first, when you look at Guam, being the westernmost U.S. territory, and it's got a big, military presence. So we look at Guam as, having a solid rule of law with U.S. presence, U.S. Privacy laws. And what we've been doing at GTA, since we privatized, we were a government authority. We privatized in 2005, and we've just been quietly building infrastructure. And what we first started was building infrastructure for businesses and obviously getting to residential. But then we started to capitalize when a lot of these undersea cables were coming to Guam, and just more demand was being sought after by the U.S. military primarily because of its presence. And so we started building all the right infrastructure. And then when these new cables got announced in 2017 COS, we became a consortium member of that, where we've got a growing network base, growing customer base that has high demands. And so we now became an investor in the cable, built a cable station, and then we built another cable station to address some more cables that were coming. And then now we're on our third cable station, and data center going to be landing the Bifrost cable there. So it's very, very exciting for us.
So very buoyant, a lot going on.
There's a lot going on. We're probably the largest private investor in Guam, investing in infrastructure, whether it be fiber or data centers.
Wow, that's impressive. So what strategies are you implementing to get more of these hyperscalers, the submarine cable operators, and the global tech companies to come and implement their operations in Guam?
Yeah, so I think it first, it depends mainly on who's building. So you got to be building the right infrastructure, the best infrastructure, in my opinion, because when these guys come to the island, they're looking for partners that they know of similar in other jurisdictions. And so when they come to see us, we're U.S. owned. We're very smart and very capable of what we're doing. We have a lot of experience building these networks and supporting it. And so, I think that's what they mainly come for. They want to know, is it the right infrastructure? It's bulletproof. And then is there a team on Guam that can support you? And to make sure that if things go wrong or things are happening, that there's a group that they can depend on. And GTA certainly plays that role in many, many ways.
Okay. So I like to look in people's crystal ball.
Oh, yeah.
If I look in your crystal ball and I look at 10 years down the line, what do I see when I look at the island, at GTA? What's your vision for both?
Well, we want to be one of the data center hubs, transit hubs in the Pacific. We think that Guam plays a key role in the Asia Pacific theater, particularly because of its proximity, its U.S. jurisdiction, and then all the investments that are coming there with fiber and with data centers. And so my vision is to see GTA playing a very active role in there, where the people that are coming to Guam are basically talking to us principally because of our knowledge, our know-how, our experience, and the people behind the company.
Okay. A lot of exciting times ahead for you and GTA. I can't wait. I'll be looking out for you and see all the great things you're doing.
Yeah, thank you.
Roland, thank you for a great interview.
Okay, thank you so much.
Everyone, thank you for watching, and until my next hot shot.